Today, we are going to take a journey from stress to calm. Sit back, close your eyes, and feel the weight of your body as gravity anchors you to the ground, connecting you to something vast and permanent. Allow yourself to be fully present, fully here. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel the air entering your body. Filling every cell with life force. Each breath is a cycle, a reminder of the universal rhythm of which you are a part. Inhale and exhale, and again. Inhale and exhale. With each breath, feel physical tension releasing layer by layer. Reflect on this simple yet powerful thought. Stress is a form of resistance. When we resist the present moment, when we wish things were different or fear what's to come, we create tension. By clinging to these thoughts, we close ourselves off from the natural flow of life. Allow yourself to soften into this awareness. Realize that stress is not something fixed or constant. It's an energy we hold tightly, but piece by piece, we can begin to let it go. Just as particles in the universe naturally seek balance, trust that your body and mind have the same ability to restore peace. Relax your eyelids. The back of your head. Your belly. Breathe calmly without hurry. Trust in the natural rhythm of this moment. Allow yourself to join the rhythm of the universe, one breath at a time. Notice how small stress becomes in this infinite space. How naturally it dissipates when you connect with something greater. Give yourself permission to stop resisting. With each exhale, feel the grip of stress loosening, gently releasing from your body and mind. When you feel ready, bring awareness back to your body. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes.